Guys, welcome to my channel. So you guys, I'm going to give you a house tour of the place we're staying while we're in Ethiopia. It's not going to be the best, but it's better than nothing. Okay, so here you go. Let's begin. So when you open the door, the first thing you see is like the sitting room, and this is like the lobby or hall. There are 4 chairs. Okay, let's do the first big bedroom. So this bedroom has a really dim light and a wardrobe here. I don't know if you can see this. A wardrobe here. They provide towels. And another one here. There are drawers at the bottom here where my feet is pointing. And on the top is an iron board. And there are 2 dressing tables. This one has a suitcase on it. And another one there. And this is the bed. Such a beautiful place. A beautiful bed if you can't see. And then there's a huge window which you can't see because it's dark. Let's put on the lights. Oops. A painting. Wait, I don't know how to do this. Oh, there you go. These huge windows that open, and there's no burglar's bar. That's fine. Then let's go. Then there's what was Didi's room. I don't know. It's like bigger than a single bed, and a window. The window is the same. Then one drawer. They provided all of these sheets and whatnot. And then let's go to the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. There's a washing machine, fridge, cooker. Then this is what we bought. Dishes that they provide, microwave, double sink. And these are the rest of the dishes, the other dishes, in the bin. Like nothing much, nothing big. Then the bathroom. So if you guys remember, there are these lights, toilet, bathroom, and there's some containers for water in case they run out of water. But that never happened. So then let's go. So this is this tiny sitting room and the TV. These lamps are real pretty, but we can't put them on. They have American sockets here. Wait, let me show you. American sockets that you need an adapter for. This was provided by our host, so it's all good. And if you guys remember, this is the massage chair that is connected to the chair. Here it is. They're like balls here for the lower back, and they're connected to the socket. And here's the remote. Let's try. Let's put it on first. Let's see. What does it say? It's full back, lower back, upper back. Let's put it on. Oh. Oh. That looks like it will be good.
Just look the chair.
Let's see. It's such a nice soft, and it's off. Let's see. You can even heat it. Oh. Oh. Let me put full back. Oh, wait.
I don't think I'm showering.
Full back. There. Oh! Ah! My back has been hurting for so long.
It's actually massage.
Hey!
Okay, I will just hold it.
Let it come up. What? Let it come. Oh! Ah! So So I'm done with the massage. It was so good. Like, it was so good and painful at the same time. It was a good kind of pain. This Airbnb is amazing. This place is beautiful and it's so cheap. It was $24 a night for all 3 of us. This place is amazing. On there. So yeah, that's it. A little painting up there. Wish I did this during the day, but we never had time we just never had time. So I did the night before. I couldn't show you exactly how it was, but I will link the Airbnb down below. So in case if you guys are here in Ethiopia, you can book the same place. So thank you for watching. Stay safe, stress-free. Bye.